Alright, the props are completed. Everybody did such an amazing job. Just look at how talented everybody is. This is Luke's lightsaber, made totally DIY. All of our contestants are aged 15 and under. You guys just did such an amazing job. I can't believe it. These are awesome. So sit back and relax. Let's take a deep dive into how all of our contestants made their DIY lightsabers.
Here are most of the materials for the lightsaber prop. We've got some blueprints here, lots of paints, different little pieces, lots of plumbing parts, and the specific D-ring. Just need to paint this silver and then add some touch-up on the black there. Also made this here, the button you press to turn on the lightsaber. The final piece. Okay, so I finished the lightsaber. Here it is. I think it looks really authentic, really good.
For many of the pieces, such as the hilt itself and the emitter and the middle piece, I just used regular cardboard. For spray paints, I used 2-in-1 filler and sandable primer, copper, and silver. With this blade, since I used a 1/2-inch PVC pipe, it's very durable for dueling.
So I grabbed a few pieces out of my junk box. The reason why I picked this pipe is because this actually screws onto here. And then I can add a bunch of stuff on top of that. Punched holes in these circles that go on here, so that slides into there.
This is the saber so far. I just used a paper towel roll for the base. I just used a bunch of foam dowels to make like the grip thing. Some more foam, it's got a hole in it, and I'm about to paint it. I spray painted the whole thing with silver, then painted the black parts with some traditional black acrylic paint. I used a gold paint marker for this part, and I decided to weather it up a little. Yeah, it's finished.
I'm supposed to be making Luke's lightsaber, so I just got 3 pieces of PVC pipes and I'm going to glue them. So just pretty much finished the small box, so I painted it silver, added the 2 black buttons, the 2 other ones too. So this is like just a small aluminum bar, you can bend it pretty much how you want it. So just glued in the box, and I added a small piece from a pencil cap. I'm going to start making the bottom of it. Those parts are going to be foam, that's for sure, with just a small painted dot on it. I just finished the bottom piece, it's all glued. So yeah, the lightsaber's done.
Great job, everybody. These are amazing. You did such a good job. In the next episode, I'll have my panel of judges reviewing the finished props and weighing which one we think is the final winner. I'll be joined by Mark Johnson, who you know from Homemade Movies, and Claire Max, who you know from DIY Costume Squad. So be on the lookout for the next episode where we really take a close look at all of these. The judges will see them for the first time and really get down to the nitty-gritty of the details of each of these. They're all amazing, but there can only be one final winner. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and we'll see you in the next episode for Judgment Day.